right.
Morning guys, it's January 10th, 2024. This one I got a call from a guy. He's got a gas furnace that's a newer furnace and it's giving him issues. He said the name of the furnace. I don't know, I've never even heard of him. So it's one of these off-brands type of thing. I don't know if I can even get parts for it. I didn't put it in. I don't know who did, but he's having issues with it. Hopefully it's something simple like a flame sensor or something. But I'm not going to have parts for it. I'll have to order them.
In 1/2 mile, keep right to Fleets Road.
No system like that is having problems. Either a flame sensor or if it's a high efficiency unit, it might be the piping's not installed right, you know, and it's creating condensate in the pipe. That sometimes could be an issue. Well, it's not getting rid of the condensate. We'll have to go by and see if we can figure out what's going on, if it's giving off any codes.
But it wouldn't. I cleaned the old one with a
Well, look at this trap. This trap might just be blocked. See how deep that trap is? Did you try changing the flame sensor?
the hole wouldn't line up for that flame sensor.
You must have a different one then. Did you clean the other one?
I did with a $1 bill. I cleaned it and put it back in again.
Wow. The flipping mess, huh? Yeah, and some kind of drive, end drive or whatever it was. Seems to be running. The fan seems to work.
Yep, seems to blow upstairs.
Yeah, she shut off. She's not running long, is she?
Yeah, she just, that's what happens. It runs short
Unless your thermostat's a problem.
No, I changed the batteries. I tried that. I changed the filter.
Could be this fucking slime. Look at this shit in here, huh? That's really bad. See it?
Yep.
Let's try blowing that out. If that backs up, obviously, you know, you're gonna have an issue, you know? All the slime in it and shit. Bet you that's your problem. This thing's pretty fucking rigid, too. See how rigid it is?
Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that.
Well, I mean, it's got some shit happening in that thing. Doesn't look good, does it? See if I can get it apart without breaking it.
See how it does it, shuts off and comes right back on again, you know what I'm saying? It's like it didn't finish the full cycle. Like if you were upstairs, you get a little bit of heat out of it.
Yeah, let me get a vacuum and try sucking that shit out of that line there. See this line? I could probably put a vacuum on it and suck it out with my vacuum, right?
Sure.
And then see if that works. Look at the board, it's got it over here just laying in the fucking ground. Did you do that?
I did not do that, no.
And you said you cleaned the flame sensor?
I did. I took it out with a $1 bill. That's the long. Yep. The one that was there was not as long as the one I had.
I bet you it's just full of shit. Let me get my vacuum and try cleaning that. Let's try to keep it simple, right?
After that, it's good.
Yeah, it don't even look like that thing's even. It don't even look like this thing's, well, let's try vacuuming them out, you know? Could be just full of slime. We'll take much to back it up, right?
I don't know. So there's that.
thing it could be too is this thing looks way oversized for the house. It might be going off on limit. You know? Getting so hot and then shutting off. What are you running for filters?
That one filter right there.
You running cheap filters or you running them fucking expensive ones? That's no good. That's a problem right there. You're not getting airflow.
No, I just picked it up.
That's the problem. Look at that thing. That thing's like one of them, yeah, super hyperengenic bullshit. You gotta run cheap filters, okay?
Okay.
What's happening is the system is way oversized. Look how big it is. It's way oversized for the house. So what's happening is she's short cycling like a bitch.
Okay.
You know?
So it gets too hot, and that's why it.
Well,
it's like you stand in front of the.
Well, it could be right now that it's off. The thermostat might not be calling. But what I'm saying is you're running those expensive filters for one. I don't want you to do that. I gotta run the cheap ones.
Okay.
This is a little tiny house here. You want to run the cheap filters for one. That one don't look too bad. The thermostat's probably not calling. We could jump it out right here to see. Let me jump that out and see if we can get it to run. I think it was just that condensate was probably blocked. You clean the flame sensor, right?
I did. I cleaned that. Yep.
That has to be done every couple of years. I'm just going to jump out the thermostat here. Let me see if the wires are tight. Sometimes nothing would surprise me here, you know? Being down in the flipping dungeon from hell. It could be a thermostat's an issue too. I'm going to jump the thermostat out here. Okay, so we jumped out red and white. Everything's kind of corroded and shit from being down in the dampness down here. Most likely it was just that condensate that was backing up.
So if I take those out and vacuum it just like you did.
Well, you just have to be careful every so often. I mean, that trap's awful big there. What do you got, propane or natural gas? That all fired up nice. Natural gas. You could hear it. You could hear it down inside the water, and you couldn't hear that before. There was a lot of shit that I vacuumed out of there.
Where does the water come from?
It's a condensating furnace.
So
It's a high efficiency.
Yep.
So there's two heat exchangers. So what it does is it recirculates itself and pulls all the heat out of the air, and then that condensates.
Okay.
So it's a condensating furnace, which is a high efficiency. Yeah. So you're going to get that condensation from the exhaust.
And that's why, like, sometimes when it's really, really wet out, like misty, I'd lay in bed and it wouldn't come all the way on. The burner wouldn't come on. I'd hear it cycle on.
Well, I mean, look at this fucking place. It might be having an issue down here.
Because of the wetness.
It's not good.
Yeah.
You're like in a swamp down here.
Yeah.
It's not designed to be in a swamp.
Right.
You got to do something about this water. Why don't you get a sub pump or something?
It dries out. It'll be gone by tomorrow, and then it normally only does this when we get a ton of rain.
I mean, you should probably put a pump down somewhere in a low spot, and you know, or maybe put a pump somewhere and pump it out. You never thought about that?
Last time I was gonna pump it out, I came back.
It's running good now, guy. I mean, it's not shutting off. It's running. It's running decent now. Hear it? It's probably just the condensate, I bet you. So you got to clean the flame sensor every so often. You got to keep these lines vacuumed out.
Okay.
Ain't rocket science, right? Either that or your thermostat's a problem. I just jumped it out to run it. So. not easy, huh? My job's not easy. So you got your my name from your sister?
Yep.
What kind of thermostat you running upstairs?
It's a white digital thermostat.
Is it one of the programmable ones?
Yes.
Maybe your program's off.
There's no program in it. It's only up high and low. It's one of the.
It doesn't have a program?
It might. I don't know. I haven't set any program in it.
Well, it might be that it's on a program cycle and it's giving you issues. Put a basic thermostat in there. Less problems. You know? On, off, up and down.
I think this is pretty basic.
Yeah, it might be.
It's, I want to say home light or home whatever it's a white. Job from hell. And then there's a board in here that'll blink off codes. You seen it, right? Yeah, so that light would have been blinking, one of the red lights.
I didn't see any blinking codes. It could have just been that this is might be a thermostat issue too. He's been there a while. Huh?
Oh yeah.
He's white. Mummerized. Like a mummy. Crazy. Look at that for a water heater. That's a real old one, huh? You're not using that anymore, are you?
Oh, yeah.
You're still using it?
Yep.
Wow.
Works great.
You're still using that thing? That's electric. Wow. That's an old electric Bradford White. That is something else, guy.
That's why it still works, because it's old.
Yeah, probably. That's an old. Wow, that's really old. That might be a Monel one or something.
I would have had to put 5 of those in if it was something new. New
Wow.
ones don't last, you know.
Holy shit.
I think we did a hot water heater at my sister's house.
That's an old electric. Wow. I mean, it don't take much to block that trap up, right? It don't take much.